Hey, so this is a recipe for you for Meatless Monday. This is just white bean chili. You just need a white bean chili packet.
Right.
Some beans of your choice. I use cannellini and also navy. Navy is my favorite. Optional is a cornbread. You don't have to have that. And then like I use some just veggies, some tomatoes, and some diced peppers in it, and it was delicious. This is the finished result. It was absolutely delicious. You should really, really try it. You need it in your life. And of course, I have to smash up the cornbread in there. That's what we do. Okay. But here you go. Let's get into this taste test real fast. I ain't got no real spoon yet, y'all. Watch that. Y'all see that cheese? Y'all see that? This is the truth. This is the truth. I didn't put the sour cream on it for sure, but it's really good. If y'all don't do it enough, make y'all some white bean chili. But all right then. Bye.